Welcome, paralegal volunteers. Paralegal volunteers. A paralegal, generally speaking, is a professional who has the required education and experience to perform substantive legal work for which a law firm or supervising attorney is ultimately responsible. Duties of paralegal volunteers: 1. Organizing awareness program to make people aware of right to get legal assistance. 2nd. Helping the people to get benefit of government beneficial schemes. 3rd one. Participating in programs of District Legal Service Authority. 4th. Participating in capacity building programs. 5th. Maintaining records of daily activities. 6th. Visiting jail, hospital, observation home, probation home, government offices in connecting with the legal services activities. 7th one. Resolving family disputes and other disputes in society. Last one. Reporting the District Legal Service Authority about violation of child rights and communal harmony and Naxal victims. Selection of paralegal volunteers. It contains two selection modes. First one, selection of paralegal volunteers at district level. Second one, selection of paralegal volunteers at taluk level. Selection of paralegal volunteers at district levels contains chaired by the chairman of District Legal Service Authority. The secretary, one of the member of the committee. It contains 3 members, chairman, secretary, and members of the committee. Selection of paralegal volunteers at taluk level consists of District Legal Service Authority. Source for paralegal volunteers. Groups from whom paralegal volunteers can be selected: teachers, retired government servants and senior citizens, Anganwadi workers, doctors, physicians, law students, members of non-political NGOs and clubs, Maitri Sangams, marginalized or vulnerable groups, educated prisoners with good behaviors. Nature of program. Nature of program based on orientation program, basic training, refresh course. Topics for training. A uniform training module for paralegal volunteers should be prepared by NALSA, which shall be applicable to the entire country, and the module shall have a special emphasis on the contact and the behavior of paralegal volunteers. The module so prepared shall be translated into regional languages. Training of paralegal volunteers. NALSA scheme. Paralegal volunteers undergo training program under control of member secretary. The number of paralegal volunteers to be trained at point training program shall not exceed 50. Trainers or resource persons. Consultation with State Legal Service Authority, District Legal Service Authority shall identify trainers for training the paralegal volunteers. Non-governmental organizations who are the Legal Service Authority. Master trainers of meditation, law teachers from law colleges, retired professors of law college, postgraduate students of law, retired judicial officers, police officers, psychiatrists or psychologists. Awareness. The legal service institution shall organize programs, especially in rural areas, to educate people that mental illness is curable. The legal service institutions should explain the need for equal treatment of mentally ill with other person in the society. Special legal awareness camps in the presence of psychiatrists, lawyers, and social workers can help the participant. Similar programs may be organized with the help of the Bar Associate to sensitive the panel lawyers and the other members of the legal profession. Legal services to mentally ill and mentally disabled persons during court proceeding. It will be the duty of the legal service institution to depute retainers or panel lawyers to the court where an application for reception orders has been removed. Consideration under Section 19, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28 of Mental Health Act 1987. The legal service institution shall bring to the notice of the magistrate concerned about the accused mentally person remained in the psychiatric hospital or psychiatric nursing homes. The legal services institutions should, through the paralegal volunteers or panel or retainers lawyership, help the accused voluntary patient for moving request for discharge under the section 18 or 19. Paralegal volunteers in jail and duties. A few educated, well-behaved prisoners serving long-term in central and district prisons may be identified and trained as paralegal volunteers. Paralegal volunteers in police station and their duties. CHALSA, through district legal services authorities, shall depute two paralegal volunteers at the local police stations. Each of them shall visit once a week. That is, the first paralegal volunteer shall visit in the first half of the week, and second paralegal volunteer shall visit in the later half of the week. Total 2 visits, 2 days in a week. The paralegal volunteer so deputed in the local police station shall have an ID card duty issued by the district legal service authority concerned. Paralegal volunteer and concerned police station shall share the information relating to the missing child with each other. Paralegal volunteer and concerned police station shall share coordinate with each other effectively in tracing or restoration of the missing child and reintegration of the recovered child. Paralegal volunteer shall keep the contact number and details of child welfare officer and district level special juvenile police unit of the district as provided under Juvenile Justice Act. Paralegal volunteers shall have access to HTU in the district where it is in existence for proper coordination. The local police station as well as the paralegal volunteers shall contact the district legal service authority secretary for any legal assistance in the matter of missing child. District legal service authority shall monitor effectively the matter related with missing child for necessary action. Payment. They will be entitled to be paid as paralegal volunteers for services rendered at the prescribed rate of honorarium payable for other paralegal volunteers. Disqualification of paralegal volunteers and their removal. Paralegal volunteers shall be disqualified and removed from the panel if he or she fails to evince interest in the scheme, has been adjudged insolvent, has been accused of an offence, has become physically or mentally incapable of acting as paralegal volunteer, has abused his position, conducted in any manner render continuance prejudicial to public meet, he or she political enthusiast of political party, paralegal volunteer may be removed by the chairman, district legal service authority after enquiry and intimation should be sent to the state level service authority. Functions of paralegal volunteers in legal aid clinic. Paralegal volunteers engaged in legal aid clinic provide advice to person seeking legal help, service especially illiterate, available under government schemes. In case of emergency, paralegal volunteers may take persons seeking legal services in legal aid clinic to nearest legal services institutions. Paralegal volunteers distribute pamphlets and other materials in aid of legal education and literacy to the person. Duties. They shall make the inmates aware about the aim of objectives of District Legal Service Authority regarding free legal aid available to inmates. They shall write applications on behalf of inmates for seeking legal aid from District Legal Service Authority. Paralegal volunteers shall assist jail authority on behalf of District Legal Service Authority or State Legal Service Authority for organizing legal awareness camps in jail. Paralegal volunteers generate awareness among inmates about benefits of settlements of disputes through lok adalat, conciliation, mediation. They shall inform District Legal Service Authority regarding inmates who were enlarged on bail but are languishing in jail due to non-availability of bailers. Mentors for paralegal volunteers. District Legal Service Authority and Taluk Legal Service Authority shall maintain a panel of mentors or guides whom the paralegal volunteers could contact in case of any clarification or assistance in connection with the discharge their duties as paralegal volunteers. There shall not be more than 10 paralegal volunteers for one mentor. Monthly reports. A monthly report of the existing paralegal volunteers, the paralegal volunteers newly recruited, and the training given to the paralegal volunteers shall be submitted by the District Legal Service Authority to the State Legal Service Authority. The State Legal Service Authority shall submit a consolidated report of the details, the number of paralegal volunteers trained, the resource person engaged, in expenses incurred, and the refresher courses, if any, organized pertaining to each month, to the National Legal Services Authority before 50th day of the month. NALSA shall cause the copies of such reports sent to the National Committee for Paralegal Training and Legal Aid Activities set up by the Chief Justice of India. The State legal service authorities shall submit the NALSA a consolidated district-wise report on the activities of paralegal volunteers, especially the number of persons attended, the nature of advice given, and the action taken. Identity card. The identity card shall have serial number, name and address of the paralegal volunteer, contact number of the paralegal volunteer, photograph of the paralegal volunteer, and the date of issue and the period of validity of the identity card. It shall be clearly printed on the reverse side of the identity card that the loss of the identity card should be reported to the nearest police station as also its recovery. The identity card shall not be used for availing of travelling concession either bus or in any mode of transport. It shall not be used for availing of any governmental benefits or loan by the holder of the card. The identity card shall not be used for availing of any other facilities except for the purpose of identification of the person as paralegal volunteer. Validity of identity cards. The validity of identity card shall be for a period of 1 year. A new card shall be issued to the paralegal volunteers if the chairman, district legal service authorities find him or her eligible to continue as paralegal volunteers for more than 1 year. Database of paralegal volunteers. NALSA scheme for paralegal volunteers provides the District Legal Services Authority to maintain a database of all paralegal volunteers in the district. The State Legal Service Authority to maintain a database of all paralegal volunteers in the state. Dresses for paralegal volunteers. It is called as Chalsa. It is specially manufactured and designed jacket distributed to the paralegal volunteers. Maintenance of records and registers. Lawyers and paralegal volunteers lead services in legal aid clinic, record attendance in register maintained in legal aid clinic. The District Legal Service Authority may require legal aid clinic to other register also. It shall be the duty of the paralegal volunteers and law in legal aid clinic to hand over the register to legal service institution having territorial jurisdiction. Thank you.